Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 4.1 question number 1. Construct the following quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral ABCD. AB is 4.5 cm, BC is equal to 5.5 cm, CD is equal to 4 cm, AD is equal to 6 cm and AC is equal to 7 cm. For that, what you have to do? Draw a rough quadrilateral, right? Let us take this one. Let us take a rough quadrilateral like this. Let us take a rough quadrilateral like this and name them, right? Let us take a quadrilateral ABCD like this. This is a quadrilateral. It is a rough quadrilateral. It is A, it is B, it is C, it is D. This is D. Now, AB is 4.5. This AB is given that it is 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. BC is also given that is 5.5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter. CD is also given as 4 centimeter. CD is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. CD is 4 centimeter. AD is 6 centimeter. AD is 6 centimeter. And AC is 7 centimeter. AC is 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter. From this rough figure, you can get an idea which side you have to draw first. That means you have to draw first AC. This one, right? 7 centimeter. And from then C as center, take an arc of 4 centimeter. And A as center, draw an arc of 6 centimeter. Then get this point D and you join this one, right? After this, A as center, take an arc of 4.5 centimeter here. And C as center, take an arc of 5.5 centimeter here. And join this one and this one, you will get ABCD. That means you have to first take the line AC first, 7 centimeter. Let us take a scale first. Let us take a scale. We are taking the scale first. That is, we are taking a scale. For that, what you have to do? Draw 7 centimeter. Right? Here, draw 7 centimeter. That is AC. Here is 7 centimeter. Starting from 0. We are taking 7 centimeter length. You see, this is exactly 7 centimeter. Now draw this one as 7 centimeter and give the name. We are given the name here as AC. This is A and this is C point. Now take A as center and take a length of 6 centimeter to cut this D point. For that, what you have to do? Take a compass. Let us take a compass here. You've taken the compass here and here take an arc of 6 centimeter. Take an arc of 6 centimeter. This one you see, we are taking an arc of 6 centimeter. That is, here you see, if you take an arc of, this one is exactly 6 centimeter, right? For this, we have to draw an arc here. Let us take this arc. With A as center, take an arc here. Take an arc of 6 centimeter. Take an arc of 6 centimeter. Right? Now again, C as center, take an arc of 4 centimeter. Let it adjust, it is 4 centimeter. We are taking it as 4 centimeter. Again, measure this one as 4 centimeter. Let us take, here it is putting at 0. Take this pointer at 4 centimeter. That is, it is exactly 4 centimeter, right? Now, take the pointer at C and make an arc. And make an arc of 4 centimeter. Take this pointer at C and make an arc of 4 centimeter. Right? And you are getting this point. Right? Again, take this pointer at A and take 4.5 centimeter. And join this one first. Let us join this one first. Let us join this line. We are joining this line here, and we are getting, you see, we are joining this line and give the name D. We joined DC and joined AD also. Let us join AD. Let us join AD. Let us join AD. Let us join AD point. Right? This is AD. Let us join this line AD. This AD point, and we are getting this point as D. Here you see, writing this point as D. This is D point. Now you have taken this as 4 centimeter. This one as 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. And we have taken AC as 7 centimeter. AC as 7 centimeter. Now with A as pointer, take A as pointer and take the value of AB, that is 4.5 centimeter, right? With this scale, let us take 4.5 centimeter. Let us take 4.5 centimeter. That is, this point will take, and it will be 4.5 centimeter. Let us take 4.5 centimeter. This is the scale here. Take this pointer as 0 point. This is 0. And take this length AB 4.5 centimeter. Take this one as 4.5. This is here you see. This is 4.5 centimeter, right? Now with this measurement, draw an arc here. Take this pointer at the point A and draw an arc here. Draw an arc here. Take this pointer at point A and draw an arc here of 4.5 centimeter. Right? Again, take this BC as 5.5 centimeter. Take BC as 5.5 centimeter. Take BC as 5.5 centimeter. Take this BC as 5.5 centimeter. Take this pointer at 0. This is 0. And take 5.5 centimeter. take 5.5. This is 4.5. 5. This is 5.6. 5.5. Here see, this is 5.5, and take this pointer at point C and construct an arc here. Take this pointer at C point, right, and make an arc. Right, we got this point, and the name of the point is B, and the name of the point is B point. Here you see, this is B point, and join AB and BC with the help of a scale. Join AB and BC with the help of this scale. Join AB and BC. Here join BC first. Let us join BC. Here joining B with C, this point and this point. Let us join this point. This is 5.5. This is exactly 5.5, and join AB 4.5 centimeter, and join this one also. Join AB, join AB line. This is AB. This is AB. Right. Now join this one. Therefore, you are getting the required triangle. Now, if you give the name here or the measurement we are writing here, that AC is 7 centimeter, AB is 4.5 centimeter. This is AB, and this is 4.5 centimeter. This is 4.5 centimeter, and BC, here you see BC is 5.5 centimeter. BC is 5.5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter. Therefore, we get the required quadrilateral. Right? Here you see, this is the required quadrilateral. First of all, you have to draw a rough diagram of this quadrilateral. After that, you have to find first AC as 7 centimeter, and A as center, take an arc of 6 centimeter, and C as center, take an arc of 4 centimeter, and got the point D, and join AD with DC. After that, takes A as center, draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter here, and C as center, draw an arc of 7 centimeter here, and get this point B. Now join AB and BC. This is the required quadrilateral. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.